A standoff in Hisar, Haryana, as policemen in riot gear stormed controversial Godman Rampal's ashram. This even as thousands of his supporters and members of his private army fought to prevent his arrest in connection with the murder case. The Godman supporters, who call themselves Baba's Commandos, hurled petrol bombs and stones at the police. 105 officers have been injured. The police finally managed to batter down the main gate and the wall of the ashram. But at the end of the day, while there was collateral damage in the form of injured devotees and the press, there was no sign of the Godman.
11-day standoff ending in a massive showdown as the Satlok Ashram in Hisar in Haryana turned into a war zone. In the final assault, the police battering down the main gate and wall of the ashram to enter the fortified complex. And while they rescued over 100 women and children reportedly being held hostage, the man they had gone to arrest has still not been found.
2 से 3 हजार महिलाएं, बच्चे, जिसमें दूध पीते बच्चे, दूध मुहे बच्चे भी शामिल थे, ह्यूमन वॉल के तौर पर, ह्यूमन शील्ड के तौर पर आश्रम के बाहर बैठे हुए थे.
But for hours before that, supporters of the self-proclaimed Godman fired on the police in a desperate attempt to hold them off. Despite bringing in water cannon and firing tear gas, and a protracted and chaotic police operation, over 100 policemen were injured as supporters calling themselves the Baba's Commandos attacked them with acid pouches, sticks and stones. Several devotees injured too as the police used lathis to disperse them. The police inexplicably turned on the journalists reporting the story, beating them and snatching away and destroying their cameras.
We'd just gotten there and the action must have started perhaps just 5 minutes before we arrived, and we saw tear gassing, the police trying to use their water cannons, and immediately we quickly switched on our live transmitting equipment. We started filming and reporting from the field. We were even off the road, but around 300 meters away from the ashram, to try and report what really was happening. And that's when things just took a dramatic U-turn, and the police for some reason started attacking the journalists. And we tried to actually rescue another colleague from another network. We saw him being chased by police. We tried to stop them. We objected. We tried to film it. We were beaten. Our camera was snatched. One of our crews, the camera was just taken away. It's still not been returned. The other one, the police just took and smashed it.
There is no intention or operational compulsion to target media, nor we do.
While the police chief tried to deflect criticism, this was clearly no one-off incident, with over 70 journalists injured in police action. Critical questions that the Haryana police will now have to answer. Why did it go slow on arresting Rampal or cracking down on his supporters before his November 10th surrender deadline? Why did they let the situation escalate? And when it finally took action, why were reporters targeted? Why did the government declare Rampal unfit to travel and cite a law and order problem for their failure to arrest him? Did they bank on back-channel negotiations to defuse the crisis? While violence raged in Hisar, Rampal's followers were lobbying for him in the capital, meeting Home Minister Rajnath Singh. At the end of the day, the Haryana Godman evading the law yet again and putting the lives of his supporters at risk. Every moment that this drags on could further be more costly. With Tarima Biswas and Siddharth Pandey, Amitabh Revi, NDTV.
The police, meanwhile, have called off their search, but they have also to answer about the attack on the press. Now, the attack on the media has been strongly condemned. The Indian Journalists Association has asked for immediate action against the policemen responsible. The National Human Rights Commission has asked the Haryana Police Chief for a report. The Press Council of India demands a probe, compensation, and faced with repeated questions on the violence, the DGP did try to deflect criticism.
Once the operation is over, I am willing to take any legal action which is needed against anybody who is responsible.
And joining us now, we have Purushottam Das. He is in fact inside that ashram as we speak. पुरुषोत्तम जी, आप हमें क्या बता सकते हैं इस वक्त क्या हो रहा है वहां आश्रम में, और रामपाल जी आश्रम में हैं कि नहीं?
अभी आपको जो पहले बताया था कि वो यहाँ नहीं है, वह बात वही है। दूसरा ये है कि यहाँ पर बहुत इन्होंने जुल्म ढाया है। आज बच्चों को, औरतों को बेरहमी से इन्होंने कुचला है। उसमें 5 मारे गए हैं और कम से कम 400 जख्मी हैं, जिसके लिए कोई ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है। 2 एम्बुलेंस आने दिया, बाकी को नहीं आने दिया। तो अभी यहाँ पर जो तड़प रहे हैं वो कोई दवाई नहीं है, कोई कुछ नहीं है। यहाँ पर कोई दया धर्म नहीं है किसी के अंदर। कोई आज तक मेरे को ये नहीं लग रहा कि किसी ने भी ये आवाज उठाई नहीं है। ये क्या चक्कर है? हम कोई बाहर देश के नहीं थे, हम भी इसी देश के हैं। हमने क्या जुर्म किया था? तो इतना जुल्म नहीं करना चाहिए था। कोई वो टेररिस्ट नहीं था। टेररिस्टों को भी इन्होंने छोड़ दिया था कुछों की जान बचाने के लिए। टेररिस्टों को ये अफगानिस्तान छोड़ के आए थे, यही सरकार थी भाजपा। तो अब इतना जुल्म क्यों ढा रहे हैं? ऐसा क्या हो गया था कि इतनी गोलियां इन्होंने चलानी पड़ी, इतने आंसू गैस, इतने गाड़ियां, इतना फोर्स, जो इतने मतलब बहनों को, माइयों को इतना मारा जिससे उनके प्राण ही निकल गए। ऐसा क्या हो गया था? अब क्या और ज्यादा क्या बताएं? हम तो न्याय के लिए लड़ रहे थे। इतना बड़ी आवाज उठाई इस देश के अंदर, उससे वो अब इनको जलन हो गई कि क्यों बोल दिया, इनकी इज्जत का सवाल बन गया। ये कोई बात है? कोई अब ईर्ष्या बस इतना कहर ढा दिया हमारे ऊपर। हम तो पहले ही इसको ढो रहे थे। 2008 से ये जुल्म हो रहा है। क्यों नहीं सीबीआई की जांच करवाते? ये हम जब मांग कर रहे हैं कि सीबीआई की जांच होनी चाहिए। अब यहाँ पे जख्मी हुए पड़े हैं, खून से पूरा लथपथ है सारा। यहाँ पे 2 कमरे थे हमारे जिसमें थोड़ा मोटा प्राथमिक चिकित्सा दी जाती थी, सब खून से लथपथ हुआ पड़ा है सारा। कोई यहाँ कोई रहम नहीं, कोई दया नहीं किसी के ऊपर। कोई भी नहीं, देश के अंदर कोई नहीं रहा क्या इतना दबाव है सारा?
ठीक है पुरुषोत्तम जी, thank you very much for speaking to NDTV and telling us really what the supporters inside of the godman Rampal have to say. That was Purushottam there speaking from the ashram.